Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to adjust the headlights of your Mitsubishi Strada. Properly aimed headlights are crucial for safe driving, especially at night. They ensure you have clear visibility of the road ahead and, importantly, prevent you from blinding oncoming traffic. This simple adjustment can significantly improve your driving experience and the safety of everyone around you. Let's get started with the steps to achieve optimal headlight alignment for your vehicle. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary tools and prepare your vehicle. First, park your Mitsubishi Strada on a level surface, facing a flat wall or garage door approximately 25 feet away. You'll need a measuring tape, some masking tape, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Some models might also require a 10mm socket or spanner. Make sure your tire pressure is set correctly, as this affects vehicle stance and headlight aim. Now, let's mark your aiming points. With your low beams on, use masking tape to mark the horizontal center line and the vertical center of each headlight on the wall. Next, locate the vertical adjustment screw, typically found on the back of the headlight assembly. It often looks like a 10mm nut. Turning this screw will raise or lower the beam. Adjust each headlight so its brightest point is 2 to 4 inches below your marked horizontal line at 25 feet. After making your adjustments, step back and observe the beam pattern on the wall. Both headlights should be evenly aligned and project a clear, consistent cutoff. The final and most crucial step is a test drive at night. Pay close attention to how the road is illuminated and if any oncoming drivers flash their lights, indicating your beams are too high. Make small, fine-tuning adjustments as needed to ensure maximum visibility without inconveniencing others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.